Namaste and warm welcome to the supermoon session. We will have Reiki activation, meditation, and light language transmission. We invoke, by your permission, your spirit team to assist this session, as well as I invoke my Reiki alliances and my mentor, Goddess Isis, to guide us in this session in activating your crystalline light body and awakening the divine feminine. For the highest and best good. And you can affirm to receive. Shima, Ingshima, Ki Hiya Sukatana, Shushushunuma, Iya Kama, Kama Kim Kuma, Iya Ishua. Begin closing your eyes and take deep inhalation. Calling forth the Holy Spirit of your higher self to now fill every cell of your body with light and the breath of life. Ilya, Shia, Huaya, Shilash, Uya, Shaya, Urra, Uhaya. We welcome the presence of your support team and Goddess Isis to support this integration of cellular soul clearing and healing throughout all of your system now. Remain present with your breath that connect you with every part of your being. Isis gently raises her wings to bless and integrate your sovereign divine power. Into your human body. as you begin activating your 8th chakra, it's the open gateway above your head, the full presence of your higher self begins to descend as a mighty waterfall of pearlescent white light through your 8th chakra. Samakatan shumayara, samakan uranyan uhuwaya, shaya, iya sirya, kash, atanam utash, rash. The waterfall of white light begin to flow down through your crown chakra, filling every cell in your body. Anchoring and integrating the Sophia Christ light or Buddha Christ light consciousness of your soul into all this new space within you. Shriya, shik 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 iya shriya, shum yam mashiyalla, Ilia, 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 ya shama, mashallah, kakum kima, kama kenyara, ama, sama. Breathe out to relax your body and welcome the radiant waves of your sovereign divinity downloading within you now. Isis, unconditionally supportive presence, encourage you to bravely explore the full creative power of your own sovereign divinity. It feels easy to clearly remember your full potential. the grace of the divine support of your spirit team and Goddess Isis, along with your higher self, orchestrating this initiation to remain steadfast in fulfilling your heart desires. Seeing Isis sweeping her wings in a series of infinity loops throughout your auric field. Every movement is a blessing. She whispers that you are ready now and it's safe to accept your sovereign divinity and crystalline light body activation. As you accept, love, and forgive yourself, you are ready now to send this quantum healing across all realities. Of past, present, and future. Stimulating your neurological pathways. You begin to sense and feel every gland in your body coming into alignment with the divine will of your higher self. Shikaya shumaish uyaan shishan ranaya ay uam ma urra ushumuyoyang sa sum ishkama amaka urra. Imagine you are carried in blissful ways to explore the beauty of your true nature. Your guides voices, telepathically motioning to you to embody your sovereignty is a willingness to accept that your true nature is already perfect, pure, and divine. With the presence of your support sacred team, Isis, ask if you are ready to awaken the crystalline chromosomes that carries the divine qualities within your DNA. To continue forward in your empowerment. And you can affirm to receive as she speaks in celestial light language of Hathor over you. Shikaya shum uya, shikaya rahaya, shikaya shum uashan, ashayam ayam, shiyayam, sum ishmakayamam, al yakin, mahmudin rim, in izdihar, hurar, Shada. Your spirit team direct the light over the base of your spine. Warm liquid light begin to gently rise from the base of your spine, traveling up three serpentine pathways that meet within your heart chakra. Causes your heart chakra to spiral open even wider. This warm liquid light expands far out from your spinal column, glowing throughout your entire body. Feel the warm liquid light gather as a flame of diamond light within your pituitary gland at the center of your head. Activating the divine feminine, the right hemisphere of the brain, awakening your creative, sovereign power. The Shakti energy. Of violet, gold and diamond white rays of light begin to rotate again at the center of your heart. Radiating out a transmission of your sovereign power to create a Sophia, divine goddess, mother, creates. Feel the frequency of new vital energy awakening now. Great flash of awareness, witnessing the crystalline chromosomes that carry the Sophia, Christ consciousness, Buddha consciousness code within you. Can affirm the following. I accept that I hold the golden keys to my heaven on earth. I accept that I create my reality by the power of my word. By the loving power of my pure word, I now activate the key code, crystalline chromosomes of the divine Sophia consciousness. Within me, I now download perfect acceptance for the sovereign divinity of my humanity from my higher self. Ready, place your hands on your heart and express gratitude as your crystalline light body the divine feminine activation is now complete. Kandari om, kandari rom, kandari kuduruyom, ram am, makdara ama, mayara, shi intum shima, kintum kima, yasabash yash, aima. Kishantara Himaya, thank you for being here. I thank you. I love you. I wish you many blessings. Namaste.